Going on, guys? Got a new tool here I want to show. It's a magnetic umbrella made by Supco. Got the base right here, and here's the umbrella. So when you're out working on that condenser, 90 to 100 degrees out, stick this right on the unit, block the sun. Comes with some thread lock. And here's the magnetic base. And then this part right here, stick it on the bottom, lock it down, and then you put the umbrella in the top, and then this is your adjustment. Back it out, then you can angle it. If you want to stick it on the side of the unit, angle it up, or on top of the unit, just have it straight up. Here's the umbrella. It's like comes with a nice little cover. Pull the cover off. Oh, another strap here. Okay. Push the button in. Pretty big umbrella. Tighten it down, and now we'll try to angle it. I'll stick it on the vise. Pretty strong. Got this at Johnstone Supply. I think it was about 60 bucks. The Supco Mag Umbrella. There's a look at the base. Pretty big magnet on there. So I'll get to try this out here soon. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.